Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting by preparing both devices so the transfer won't fail. Plug your phone into the computer with its cable or a certified adapter. Trust the computer when prompted so files are accessible. Once done, confirm the external hard drive mounts and has enough free space. This prevents mid-transfer interruptions. Make sure you know whether your phone saves live photos as MAV+, JPG, or HEIC/HEV combinations, so you choose the correct import tool. You'll import using the best tool for preserving live photo motion. On Mac, use Photos or Image Capture and pick Import Originals. On Windows, use the Photos app or File Explorer to copy both JPG and MAV parts. Once selected, import into a temporary folder on your hard drive so you can verify pairs remain intact. You do this because keeping originals preserves motion and metadata, and organizing by date makes future edits and backups straightforward. You must verify files before ejecting. Open several live photos to confirm the motion plays and metadata like timestamps are present. If compatibility is a concern, convert HEIC-containing live photos to separate JPEG plus MOV pairs or export as video while keeping originals in an archive folder. Once satisfied, run a quick checksum or spot check 1020 files, then eject the hard drive and phone safely. If transfer fails, retry with a different cable, or use Image Capture/File Explorer to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.